I recently ordered some gear online from Kmart, including this little selfie stick. And this is the previous model that Kmart had. It's really handy, like it fits in your handbag. So let's unbox it. Let's have a look. We've got, okay, so it turns portrait and landscape. Let's grab a phone. Now we've got here, I think there's a couple of little clips that fold out. So we're just going to put our phone. Now, here's the thing. These days I shoot mainly in portrait mode because reels, videos on Facebook and Instagram, TikTok, YouTube Shorts, it's all portrait. So it's only if I'm doing long form content, and then I would generally use my camera. I want to use it portrait mode. So straight away, you can see that there's not a lot of room. You can see that it kind of really is made for landscape. Okay, so it is on the bottom end. Now the only thing that also puts me off then is if I put my microphone in there, there's not a lot of room. I'm going to have to push it up like that. All right, so it does have a remote control as well, and it also has a tripod at the bottom. Let's try and get this open. Now, there we go. Now this actually folds out to 90 centimeters. It's a pretty good selfie stick. So to tilt it, we need to undo this little button here, and that allows us to use it up or down. The other, it's really hard to get out. This is difficult. Okay, got it. It's got a battery in it. It's one of those little flat round batteries. The old version did have a rechargeable option, so you just had a little cord in it and you plug it in. This just seems a little bit harder to get in and out. I'm trying to get it back in now. Not as easy as the other version, that's for sure. The plastic just feels a little bit more flimsy. This was not easy to get out, but I guess, there it is. Once you open it a few times, maybe it might loosen up. Okay, well, why do I like a selfie stick? Because it's a tripod that I can put in my handbag, so they're super handy. If I'm looking at which one's more compact, definitely this one's more compact. So if you've got a small handbag, I would definitely go this option. I think the tripod in this is actually a lot more sturdy, but it does not go as far, the reach on that, compared to the new version of the selfie stick.